We're here to help you improve your bottom line. Welcome to Gash Printing. We're making what you make money. First, you get the advantage of our new technology to save you time and cut your production costs. Look at this. Second, you get the advantage of book printing in the exact quantity you need. That's right, no minimum, no overrun headaches. Are you publishing? Call this number right away. Also, check our website. We offer commercial, offset, and digital printing projects, always keeping focused on you and your bottom line. That's where our on-demand printing of perfect bound books for publishers comes in. Think of it. Don't get caught in the unit price trap. Many buyers think if they overprint books, they save money on the unit price. But when many of those same books have to be thrown away, they've actually lost money. Our right ratio solution can save time and money and the environment by printing the exact amount you need. For example, we saved one publisher over $750,000 in waste in 1 year by using this solution. Yes, I did say $750,000. Let us work with you to see how we can save you time and money. We work hard to earn your trust, and our dedicated, experienced staff will work with you throughout your entire project. Plus, with our online storefront, it's easy to get a quote, to see a proof, to order and pay online using your own customer portal from our site. Supporting operations right here in the Washington-Baltimore corridor since 1982. Located under the same roof with us, BrightKey brings you fulfillment, storage, membership programs, call center, and much, much more. And when we print any project that needs fulfillment services using BrightKey, there is no shipping charge from print to fulfillment site, saving money and time. We promise to listen to you and help you achieve your business goals. We'll always be there with honest, expert advice and quick, friendly customer service. Our goal is to meet and exceed your expectations. Thanks for watching. From our family to yours and your important business or agency operations.